Hey English learners, welcome back to the Daily English Podcast, your English podcast for daily life English, real conversations, and easy English. Listening practice. Hello. Are you hungry now? I am very hungry. It is lunchtime. I want to eat something tasty.
Yes, I am hungry too. I like lunchtime very much. I usually eat at this time. It gives me energy.
What do you eat for lunch? Do you eat rice or fast food? I like light food. I don't eat too much.
I usually eat rice and meat. Sometimes I eat noodles. I like hot food. It is very delicious.
That sounds good. I usually eat soup and salad. I like healthy food. It is good for my body.
Yes, healthy food is important, but I also like fast food. Sometimes I eat burgers. They are very tasty.
Do you drink something with your lunch? I usually drink tea. Sometimes I drink water. I don't like soda.
I drink juice or water. I like orange juice. It is fresh and sweet. It is very good.
Where do you eat lunch? Do you eat at home? Or do you go outside? I like cafes.
I eat at home every day. My mother cooks food. The food is very delicious. I enjoy it.
That is very nice. I eat with my friends. We talk and laugh. Lunchtime is fun.
Yes, lunchtime is great. We can relax and eat. It is my favorite time. I feel happy.
Let's eat now. I am very hungry. Food is ready. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. I am excited. I want to eat now. Let's enjoy our lunch.